In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare needs to review the security of your connection before proceeding. If you land on a page that says Cloudflare needs to review the security of your connection and it never finishes, your browser is often the reason. A stubborn extension, cached files, or old cookies can keep you stuck in a loop. We'll fix that in Chrome by temporarily disabling extensions, clearing browsing data, and restarting the browser. Start by opening Chrome's menu. Look to the top right and click the three dots. From there, choose Extensions, then open Manage Extensions. You'll see a list of everything installed. Toggle them off to disable them for now. This doesn't remove anything. It simply pauses them. Pay special attention to tools that alter traffic, such as ad blockers, privacy filters, VPNs, or user agent switchers, because they can trigger extra checks. With everything off, we've eliminated the most common cause. Next, we'll clear the data that the site and Cloudflare rely on. Click the three dots again and select Delete Browsing Data. Switch to the More or Advanced tab so you can control what gets removed. For time range, pick All Time. This ensures any older cookies or cached assets that might be confusing the check are wiped clean. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. If you prefer to keep saved passwords or autofill information, you can leave those unchecked. When you're ready, click Delete Data and give Chrome a moment to finish. Now restart Chrome to apply everything cleanly. Close all browser windows so the app fully quits, then open Chrome again. This fresh start clears lingering processes and reloads your network stack inside the browser. Return to the site you were trying to visit. The Cloudflare page may appear briefly while it validates your session, and then it should proceed. If it does, you can re-enable your extensions later, one at a time, to identify any that reintroduce the problem. If turning one back on brings the loop back, you found the culprit and can update, replace, or keep it disabled on that site. One quick heads up, clearing cookies signs you out of most websites, so you may need to log in again afterward. That's expected, and it's part of giving the site a fresh start. Also, keep your extensions updated. Outdated ones are more likely to interfere with security checks. That's it. By pausing extensions, deleting stale data for all time, and restarting Chrome, you give Cloudflare a clean, verifiable session and get back to browsing without the endless review message.